they filming? Why are they filming?
Why are they filming? Because it's their holiday, isn't it? They're on a 4-day holiday. Why are we filming? Because we're going to put it on YouTube. All our experiences.
Is it because they're driving fast?
No, they're not driving fast. It's just very different. Can you not see what's out there? It's different to home. Wonderful sights to see, but no health and safety at all. You're right next to a stream. You've got a really heavy current running down, as you can see. There's kids sat out. There's all different types of furniture, so very colourful. But just the worrying factor that nobody is caring about any health and safety and the kids being around. But this was what Marrakech was all about, and it was a wonderful day out that we did have. This was up in the Atlas Mountains. Yes?
It's like a little lime, isn't it?
Oh yeah. That's it's a walnut. It's a walnut, Frankie Jack. You're going to get it on the way back. Okay.
Peaches from natural fridge. It's natural fridge.
Oh my word.
Berber fridge.
Berber fridge, a natural fridge. Gary, just hold his hand because there's a drop down here. Oh my word, how fantastic is that? Isn't it? No, because you want to get it. I'm sure if I do this, if I'm taking a video and I take that one, I'm taking photos as well, aren't I?
Maybe. You see the spinning things?
Yeah. Thank you, Jack.
At the top.
Yes.
That's stones, isn't
They look like tins, Frankie Jack. Tinnies. Not beer tins. Yeah, Frankie Jack. Oh, you can do it. Oh, you're a big boy.
That's the cactus fruit.
Cactus fruit. Are you filming? Oh my word. Oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Hold him, Darren. Make sure you've got hold of his hand. This is only because it's the holidays. It's never as busy as this. This is purely because it's the end of Ramadan and Eid. Everybody's got 4 days off. These bridges just look like they're going to collapse at any time. They look like something out of Indiana Jones. So we're in the Atlas Mountains at the moment, as you can see, where the Berbers live. It's beautiful. They've got all these sort of wooden bridges. You can get chicken tagine, but we've had a lot of it so far. So what we've decided to do is go for a chicken kebab. You're going to share hours with the bread, and you're going to have some vegetables. So we've got chicken kebab for lunch. Sorry, shukran. This is where we've been eating today. Yes? No, sweetheart, you stay there. God, it's so sunny, isn't it? Beautiful. Look at this. So you can sit out, and everybody's been sitting out today. It's been fabulous day. Really, really, really enjoyed it. If you come to Morocco and you come to the Atlas Mountains, make sure you come with better shoes than what I came in. And also as well, make sure you bring plenty of money for tips, because that is one of the biggest things here, is that they all want tipping. They all charge you way over the odds for everything, and I have no idea what things should cost. So that annoys me, because I feel like I'm being ripped off. So I haven't liked that about it, but the Berbers have been brilliant. Our driver is fantastic. He's winking. Shukran. Hold on to Daddy's hand across that bridge. My mum's cold. I'm joking. That's our driver. Oh, it's really unsteady. See, look at me. I've got my Avianas on. It's just ridiculous. I didn't expect it to be like this today. Just to give you a heads up that if you are doing this. Also as well, look where you're eating. Make sure it's nice and clean. Where we were here, you can see it's a beautiful restaurant in the hills. I don't feel like there's been anything wrong with that food, although I'll know later on tonight or tomorrow. Some of the restaurants look a little bit dodgy for me, and I wouldn't want to eat in them. I always look at somewhere and think, if it doesn't look like that at home, then I wouldn't eat in it. Oh shoot! So we've been up to see the waterfall today, and I will tell you, they say it's a 15-minute walk. It isn't. It took us an hour and a half. My mum stayed down because there's no way she would have been able to do it. And it is as far as walking or further than Pendle Hill, and obviously it's a lot more dangerous, but it is brilliant. If you can do it, then do it. We took a guide and we paid him about £40 for doing it. Well, probably a little bit more than that, but he was fabulous, and he did spend an hour and a half. Be careful of your camel. He's got himself a camel, as Frankie Jack today, in alabaster, and when you put it in water it changes colour. So he's going to take that to school and show everybody, because actually he was on a camel this morning, and his camel was called Shakira, so he's decided to call it Shakira. Can you see? It is just brilliant. Look, they've all been sat out today because obviously it's Eid. Yeah, it's dirty. So here we are overlooking the Atlas Mountains. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to press that subscribe button. I'll see you tomorrow. That's our day trip to the Atlas Mountains.